Alright, well, here's the solution. So let's say we had a 1 by 1 square. So like kind of like this one here. Well, then the total number of squares I would have would just be 1. Let's say I had a 2 by 2. Okay, count these with me. I'd have this square here, 1, this square here, 2, 3, 4, and then the big one would make 5. What if I had a 3 by 3, like this one over here, for example? Count them with me. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but then I have this 2 by 2, that makes 10, this 2 by 2 makes 11, this 2 by 2 makes 12, and then finally this 2 by 2 makes 13, and the big one makes 14. Okay, so we can keep going like this all the way down. So 1 is equal to 1 squared, we know that. 5 is equal to 1 squared plus 2 squared. 14 is equal to 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared. So you're noticing that as we move up in n by n squares, we just sum the number of squares of the previous terms before it. So this one, since we have an 8 by 8 checkerboard, this would have to be 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus yada 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 all the way up to 8 squared for a grand total of 204 squares.